Electricity, the unseen force, a power that drives our daily course, from the flick of a switch to the hum of a light. It brings our world from dark to bright. In the wires, it flows unseen, a current of life, a vibrant stream. It powers dreams, it fuels our days. In countless silent, wondrous ways, electricity, a spark of life. In moments of joy, in times of strife, it connects us all near and far, from the glow of a bulb to the roar of a car. But with great power comes with care, a force to respect, to give, to share. For in its hands our future lies, a dance of electrons, a silent cry. So let us honor this mighty force and use it wisely in our cause. For electricity, though unseen, is the lifeblood of our modern dream.